Challenges in phacoemulsification of white cataract are the rhexis, nucleus, endothelium, suspensory ligament, and the posterior segment. Side port with the MVR knife. You enter now the other side port. We do a bimanual aspiration of the cortex. This is a main wound, clear corneal incision on the temporal side. We make it preferably a triplanar one. Now we are injected the cystitome, make the central puncture with the help of a utrata forceps. We make a flap, lift it, and we are in the process of making a curvilinear complete rhexis. Idea is grasp, re-grasp, and the force applied is always in a centripetal direction. The nicely centered rhexis made, take out the anterior capsule. Now this is a cortico-cleavage hydrodissection. Decompress the nucleus downward, giving it a nuclear rotation, rotate it nicely. Now we are doing direct chop. This is the direct chop. Now the first cut we are making with the chopper, and we try to separate the tooth segments. We find the separation is not complete. We leave it, then rotate it little, another chop, again chop was incomplete, then we go to another chop, engage the nucleus, chop it, then do the lateral separation. We're trying to separate the two segments. Again posterior attachment remains. We go for another chop. Idea is that posterior attachments are harder and they are more difficult to separate. So we go in the first attempt, we try to do as much interior separation as possible, leaving behind the attached posterior fibers. Now we will again rotate it. Now we will go for the posterior fibers. And the emulsification, we don't start till there is complete separation of the two segments. Now see now this separation now we have achieved in one segment. Now we go for another, engaged, now separate, go little down, go down till we've separated completely. Now this is again, now this has separated, this segment has separated completely. This is another segment. We try to separate the posterior fibers. We have achieved that. Now the segment is completely free and we will emulsify now. Emulsification started. We try to do at the iris level, do the one segment which is on the side, we bring it back, bring it behind the segment which we are emulsifying, so it acts like a cushion. If by chance we inadvertently pierce it, this acts as a cushion and posterior capsule is saved. This is the last segment we are doing, and this whole segment, this is now emulsified. We find literally there is no cortex in the center, but usually the white cataracts have got cortex in the periphery and it may be adherent. One segment there is no, very little cortex we have aspirated. Now from the other segment opposite we are aspirating, engage, aspirate, again we engage the cortex, free it. See, this cortex is slightly adherent. Engage it, and then we bring it in the center, and now we start aspirating. Now the cortex has been aspirated completely. We can see that the posterior capsule is quite clean. Now we are injecting the IOL, bevel down, push it forward, it goes in the bag slowly and push it forward further, push it down, then we push the trailing haptic into the bag. This is a nicely centered IOL in the bag. So it's a clean, uncomplicated, direct chop in white cataract. Thank you.